For organizations to meet the rapidly changing business and customer expectations, there is a dire need for digitization and automation of processes and operations. Leading enterprises are now moving from the process of businesses driving IT to IT driving businesses. We are well aware that applications form the core of any digital business. Therefore, it is indispensable that its architecture is merged with innovation, which helps create immersive experiences, enable seamless integration, and provide a valuable opportunity for monetization. This is only possible through the adaptation of digitization and automation that help usher in the technology tsunami, which is the new wow. To propel this technological wave, Zensar offers Smart Application Development and Maintenance, ADM, a complete suite of application services for a new age. SmartADM leads to high velocity and quality software delivery in a zero-incident digital enterprise. It enables platform-led end-to-end application services, speed to market, maximized application of AI, and automation for exceptional customer experience. Our intelligent automation has the power to accelerate change and create faster turnarounds, perfect orchestration, and intelligent self-services. SmartADM offers top-of-the-line cloud application services, product-centric development, application portfolio modernization, and application maintenance support. Here's introducing the Samurai, the smart application development and maintenance using robotics, automation, and intelligence from Zensar, a platform to drive SmartADM. The Samurai provides a wide range of application services, which includes UX-led design, DevOps dashboard, Ziva, Zen Analytica, Vinci, app renovation, and many more.